Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on some of my lightweight knives. This is what I've been carrying for past 3 months. Spyderco Rock Jumper. It's got the Wharncliffe blade, easy to pierce boxes, cut into skin, super smooth when closing. Love the sound it makes when you close it, and you can see it's made in Japan, so that's cool. That's a VG10 steel. That's what they use in Japan. Here's another Spyderco Chaparral Raffir Noble handle. This one is really special. As you can see with the handle, every pattern is different. Not sure how they make that, but it looks really cool. There's different layers in there. This one is made in Taiwan. Super comfortable. It's got the wire clip. Drawbacks on this knife would be handle is slippery, so the knife does come out of the pocket sometimes, getting up from a seat. So I'll probably just get the FRN model handle. Here's a Civivi. I forget the model. It's pretty tiny. There's in collab with, looks like FF Design. It's got the finger choil, comfortable. It's got ball bearings, easy closing, fast opening. It's got a good detent. It's not gonna, the blade's not gonna come open easily in your pocket. Also, you can do it upside down. This is my Micarta handle. I prefer G10 though. Here's a sub-brand of Spyderco, the Bird line. It's Chinese made. This is a Robin. I've had it for over 10 years now. Super comfortable, lock back, very strong lock. It's got jimping for the thumb. It's got jimping for the index finger. Handy little knife, easy to close one-handed. It's got enough purchase here to grab out of the pocket. This one's a Kaiser Shard. I opened this one with my middle finger. It just shoots out like this. Hold up, let me try again. N690, it's a premium steel. Got some Micarta handle again. This one I carry sometimes, the CRKT Pete. Pretty lightweight handle. It's a Voxness design. Finger choil again. It's got the orange peel handle. Lightweight. This one's really lightweight. Spyderco Para 3, I think it is. It's a Para 3 or a Paramilitary 3. I don't remember the name. But it's got, what, polymer handle. Barely any metal in here. The only metal is right there for the liner lock. Super comfortable. Made in Colorado. That's where the headquarters are. Got jimping here and here. This is a compression lock. Super lightweight, but big. This one's interesting. The Kaiser Mini Sheepdog. It's like a mini cleaver blade. 154 cm blade steel. This is a hot seller. And that was in collab with Sheepdog Knives. So this is a mass production model here. This one I got last year. Let's see. Opens that way. From Real Steel. In collab with Poltergeist. It's got finger choil. The axis lock, like Benchmade has. Close it like that, or like that. Micarta handle, and you can see this is one piece where they folded the spine, I think it's called. This is a little bigger knife, but still thin. Cold Steel Airlight. It's got the super robust, what we call this lock. It's from Andrew Demko. Made in Taiwan. One of the strongest locks in the world for the knives. Closes easily. Big blade, but still light. This one I've carried for 3 to 6 months. Cold Steel Kiridashi. It's got like this, I guess it's a Japanese style blade. And it's good for opening boxes as well. Good for defense. Made in Taiwan. Light. Let's see, this one. Closes like that. And last one is Kaiser Lieb. Also ball bearings. Cool brown micarta handle. Look at that blade shape. And 690 blade steel. Closes easily. You can flip it open like that. Or like that. It's got a polished pocket clip. So those are some of my lighter weight knives.